In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Gemini Nano Banana not working. So if you're having the same problem as this poster, then this is the right video for you. So first, you can head over and see what kind of error message it's sending you. So it typically depends on that. So you can see right here that the actual feature for Nano Banana is the image generation. So for this, you can use the options for changing it. So you can use options for preventing deepfakes, ensuring privacy and consent. So here are some options or reasons why this is happening. It may be because the server is overloading and Google may temporarily restrict access, such as throttling, especially for free user if the system is under heavy load. So for this, you can just try again later, adjust your prompt and simplify it, be explicit and try the viral prompts. You can also ensure high quality output if the AI performs best with clear, well-lit, high-resolution photos. You can also use browser troubleshooting for this. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.